If you've got an 02 to 07 Harley Bagger and you've been looking to upgrade your wheels, check this out, because we've got this in stock right now. This is our Retro 14 wheel, finished in a black double cut. Up front, you've got a 19 by 3, and in the rear, you've got an 18 by 3.5. And these are running on 1-inch bearings, along with the matching PR1 rotors. These are performance 2-piece floating rotors. So these things are amazing. They give you incredible feel and great cooling. Like all SMT wheels, these are machined right here in Arizona out of aircraft grade 6061 T6 forged aluminum. And that little bit of a double cut really sets off the tone of these wheels, if you ask me. So if you've got an 02 through 07 Bagger and you've been looking to upgrade, look no further. Hop on the website or give us a call and let's get you set up with these Retro 14s before somebody else ends up with them.